Hello Friends for Life! Happy anniversary! 23rd anniversary ng Friends for Life, and praise the Lord, nakaabot tayo ng 23 years. And you know what? Nawa ang aking prayer sa bawat isa, kahit saan man kayo naroon, mga members ng Friends for Life, ay patuloy tayong maging ilaw kahit saan tayo magpunta. Let us entrust everything, our worries, anxieties, and weaknesses to the Lord. And may we have a closer relationship with Him as we continue to minister until Jesus comes. And thank you, Friends for Life, for being a part of my journey. Kayong lahat. And I'd like to thank the oldest member, Brother Bernie.
Happy anniversary.
And of course, oldest kasi longest pala. Oldest, ibig sabihin connect the dot. Brother Nel nasa likod.
Oldest, si Nenen.
Amin pong susunduin si Abby. We are going to have the anniversary concert in Balibago, Angeles, Pampanga. And please pray for our trip, safe travel, and ganun din sa gagawing pagpupuri at paglilingkod mamayang gabi at buong araw bukas. So Friends for Life, mahal ko po kayo lahat, and I am praying. Kaninang maga ang prayer ko ay if God's will, there will be a time that we can be together again doing the ministry. And yun po, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa ng ating Panginoong Jesus, walang mawaglit sa atin, walang mawala. Present tayong lahat na masayang sasalubong sa Kanya. I love you all. Namimiss ko po kayong lahat. At sa lahat po ng makakapanood nito, lahat na nagpipray sa Friends for Life, lahat ng mga sumusuporta, naniniwala sa aming ministry, we love you all. And hindi man namin kayo maisa-isa, from the bottom of our hearts, kami po talaga ay nagpapasalamat. And may God continually bless all of you. And ganun din sa ating lahat, Friends for Life. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!